Hey guys, welcome back. Back for another one. Another wrenching one. I just got my parts from RC all-wheel drive. I'll come around and show you the part number for it then. I'm just going to replace all 4 of the axles. I'm just going to do a video on it. And if you guys don't like it, don't watch it. So I'm just going to put something out there for you. And guys, I actually enjoy doing this. I really do. So, really hope you guys stick around. It means a lot to me. I know some of you guys are probably gonna unsubscribe. It's gonna happen, it's gonna happen on the way up. I'm already expecting it, so it's not a big deal. That's just part of YouTube. When you're gonna subscribe and unsubscribe, and I might say something you guys might not like. That's just part of it. So, not a big deal. I already got the one side taken apart, which I'll come around, kind of do what I did earlier. I already have some stuff taken apart. So kind of speed up the process a little bit here. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. I was actually pretty excited when I saw the UPS guys. Like, all right, the parts are here. I'm just gonna try to do what I did earlier, guys. Maybe zoom out a little bit on this video here. Trust me, guys, it's very difficult trying to do this when you're behind the camera, but I want to be behind the camera. That way I can make sure the video is decent and not all blurry like. So this is what I picked up from these guys. There's part number and stuff. I just got this off Amazon, guys. I think you can pick it up on eBay as well. Not 100% sure on that. I just got this all from Amazon. The batteries, they should actually be coming in the mail, so that won't be till later today. And once I get the batteries, I'm going to make a video on the MT18s with the 3S in there. I think that'll be a fun time, guys. I was actually going to take them to the playground, but I don't know. I kind of think that the area is going to be too open for them in a way. I don't know, guys. I might try it next time. Next time we go, I'll take them along with me. Pretty cool stickers they give you. That's pretty neat. I've ordered from these guys before, and I didn't have any problems with any of their products. I'm not sure if anyone else has problems. But I've used them in the past, guys, and I didn't have any issues at all. Like I said, I already have this one apart. Yeah, all that happened, guys, is I know there's a rod or something that goes through here, and then there's like a pin. And I think the set screw come out, and everything fell out. That's my guess. I could be wrong, but it's not broken. I did notice inside here, this is not how this goes in there, by the way. This end's supposed to go in here. So I just kind of put it in there so I don't lose anything. So basically, this should be pretty straightforward. I'm hoping. I'm just not sure what's front and what's rear. Something I'll have to, because I see 2 of these. Actually, oh, okay, I see. That's just a sleeve. Alright, so these have a sleeve on them for the pin. Help keep the pin in place. It's pretty cool. I thought it actually looked, I thought it was a different one. I was like, it's probably not good. Everything should be pretty straightforward. I don't think there's anything hard about it. I'll do my best, guys, to get you the best view I can. I'll show you up close. Trying different things here, like the last video. I had it zoomed in a little bit. Maybe that was too much of a zoom, I don't know. You guys will have to let me know. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, guys. We really appreciate each and every one of you subscribers. You guys are awesome. And hope you guys stick around. We have a lot of stuff coming, guys. We definitely do. And this will just slide inside there. I'm hoping. Yeah, it fits in there pretty nice. And basically, guys, it's probably hard to see. The end of this end of the axle shaft, it just slides right in there, just like that. It actually fits in there pretty nice. So that should be good. So I'll get this here. I'll actually that's one thing, whenever I take something apart, I always put the screws back in, especially if I'm leaving it sit for a little while. Like I pretty much tore this apart, I believe, last week. Monday, I believe. So it's sat all week. Tore apart. And it can get a little confusing, guys, if you're not familiar with it. Try to get you guys the best view I can here. Maybe we're gonna zoom back in once. I apologize, guys. I'm just trying to do my best. Really not much room to do anything. Tell you what, let me try something else. Let me try get it up a little higher. There we go. Now you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. Basically, I'm just trying to get the bolt back in. Some of this stuff can be fiddly. That sounds like my ducks are going crazy out there. If I get one end in, it should go. And any other YouTuber that does this, guys, give them all the credit in the world. Because this is like, when you're behind the camera and trying to give and are trying to give you the best view, it's really hard. It's not easy. It's definitely not easy. It's hard to get everything lined up. Oh, I had it in there too. I'm pretty sure the sizes on this, guys, is the 2mm. I kind of think everything's 2mm. That's just what I'm using. It's just from Endura. Guys, they have decent tools. I actually really like them. I've gotten used to them, that's for sure. And these you don't really want to ever tighten because you want it to move free. You don't want you don't want it to be tight, guys. That's for sure. Once my tablet gets here, guys, I'm gonna do a live stream. I'll let you guys know when. You guys want to stop in and chat? That'll be cool. I'll probably find something to work on while I'm doing it. That way it's not so boring. I'm just making sure we're lined up, guys. It's really hard to see what's going on. Oh, yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. I don't even know why that one's out. I grabbed the 1.5. Like I said, guys, you don't want to over tighten any of this. Everything moves pretty good there. Get the wheel back on it. I'm going to use the... Actually, I don't know if they're... Yeah, they should be the same. I'm not sure, though. I'm going to use the locking nut they give you. Sorry, guys, if you can't see, I'm just tightening up the wheel here. And we're back running again. Guys, that was pretty easy. Now we got 3 more to do. And honestly, don't know if I'm going to video all that. Maybe we'll do one in the rear because the rear is different. I mean, you saw how the front went together. I'll do one in the rear. That way you have an idea. And then I'm going to do the other side off camera. So we'll just do the right side. Definitely a nice upgrade. I like that. Yeah, this is what comes with the focus phone. Not sure why it's not focusing. Anyhow, this one has that nylon in there. It's kind of like a thread locker in a way. That's what I'm going to use. That's what they give you with the axles. Oh, the back one. I didn't take the back one apart at all. looks like we have a bolt running this way and a bolt running this way. And then the hub carrier should come out. And I think, yeah, I might actually have to get my pliers for this. You have to unscrew that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to get my pliers. That's not working out for me anyhow. Bear with me. I was gonna just grab the wrench, but I didn't know. You basically just have to hold this. Then this unscrews. I know there's probably videos out there, guys. I'm sure there is. I actually think I saw someone do this already. And you actually don't need this. You're not going to use this. But it's the only way you can get that out of the hub. This just slides on. And guys, don't try to pry these off because it will not come off. You got it's a 2 millimeter. And it fits right in there. That's how you get it out, because it goes in through. Actually, I have this one. I can kind of show you. Yeah, just like that, guys. It's like notched out for it. Yeah, you're not gonna reuse any of that, but you do have to get it off there so you can get it out of the bearing. I actually had trouble getting that front one out. It was stuck in the bearings. Actually, see if I can just pop her out of there. Nope. Yeah, them are in there, guys. I am not sure why they're so tight in there. Wow. I'm gonna end up breaking something. If anyone else has a better idea getting these out, let me know. I should make some sort of press. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video and get this thing out. I'll be right back. Alright guys, got her out, but that bearing was stuck on there. I had to use 2 screwdrivers, flatheads, to pry it off there. That was not fun, guys. I had the same issue with the front one. Man, them things on there are good. Now we can proceed. Them go on there pretty nice. I think I might actually order these axles for the other ones, for the Mojave and the Typhon. Let's see how they hold up first on here. Oh god, I can't believe how tight that was in there. Ooh wee. Oh, for sure I was gonna get a pull through the finger. Everything moves good, guys. These are aluminum. That's a nice upgrade. Especially whenever you start doing brushless stuff. Which that's gonna happen. I kinda have some things on hold at the moment, guys. I wanna try to get these cars that are on my list. I wanna get caught up with that. So I feel like every time there's a new release, I'm getting the new releases, which is okay. I like what's coming out, so it's not a big deal. But I'd like to get the cars that I've actually always wanted, and I feel like I kind of steered off that path, so I need to get back on that path. But that's how it is. That's how it goes, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna do the other side off camera, so the video's not super long, and I can't wait till I get a new tripod too. I did order one of them as well. Thing's just a pain in the rear. Just one of them ones you just get real quick just to hold your phone, and then you have nothing but problems with it. So yeah, guys, one side done. Do this other side off camera because I'm gonna have troubles with that bearing. They don't really want them coming off at all. Hey guys, I hope you like what you see here. Hit the like button if you do. Subscribe. Share with all your friends. The more people we get, the merrier. Everyone's welcome, guys. Everyone's welcome. As long as we keep it kid friendly in the chats. I don't mind, some swearing. As long as it's not like constantly the F-bomb. That's all I ask, guys, because my kids like to read all that stuff, so. But anyhow, that's back in action, so I'm happy. So next time we go, I can have all 3 Groms out. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one. I have something else planned here, so I'll see you soon. Thank you.